What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time.
For talking loudly enough. Absolutely, you're welcome.
What's up, everybody? I'm testing out the Shure MV88 with the Smove Mobile and my iPhone. I'll show you how this whole situation is turning out to be, but I pretty much kind of like moved the phone and left a little bit of a gap in between. That way I leave room for the microphone. So this is the audio in a crowded situation with the MV88.
Does it sound good? I hope so. That's
I
my microphone.
So we're going to test it out right now. We've been testing it with the MV88. Now I'm going to switch it to the phone audio. All right, and this is the audio with the iPhone with no microphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you dig the Shure MV88 or the regular phone audio. I'll keep testing these guys out and enjoying VidCon. We'll see you next time.